Hello everyone, this is Satyaprakash. Welcome to my channel. In this React session, I'll show you how to create a area chart using React Apexcharts with Bootstrap. So guys, before going through this video, please visit my React related videos in my playlist called React Tutorial. You'll get some basic ideas, that is what is ReactJS in .NET and how to get JSON data from controller. So in this current videos, I'll show you complete different scenarios of React using VS Code, how to create a React application using only the React platform only. So in this video, I'll discuss few points, that is know about Apexcharts library in React, learn about the React component, steps to install and import Apexcharts in the React application, and build area chart component in the React component using Apexcharts and Bootstrap libraries. So guys, in this session I'll show you how to create an area chart component in ReactJS functional component using Apexcharts and Bootstrap libraries. So Apexcharts is an open source JavaScript based charting library. It allows web developers to build attractive, visually appealing graphs and charts. This library was developed using a jQuery web development library, and it uses scalable vector graphics to render charts user interface. We can build single charts, line charts, bar charts, column charts, and pie charts, including donut charts, scatter charts, and heat map charts using Apexcharts. So guys, there is some features in Apexcharts, so that using Apexcharts we can customizable option to available for all each chart, include the colors, labels, tooltips, animations, and responsive design. So easy to integration with the front-end frameworks including React, Angular, and Vue. So it is a rich and high-level documentation and community support, including demos, examples, and tutorials. So guys, let's know about what are the prerequisites and steps to build the React application. So I have mentioned the steps here. So guys, first of all, prerequisites. So for React setup we need three things. One is node.js, which we can install it from this site, node.js official site. So if you open this, you'll get this kind of interface. So from here you can download the node.js file from here. So second is npm, which is node package manager, and third one is VS Code or Visual Studio Code. So guys, there is step one is we need to, here steps there is to build the React project with the step one, and there is steps to build the area project. So this is the command npx space create -react -app and space my -react -app. So this is the your React application name, project name. So what you will do here is open you just create a folder like CD drive or something. I have created one folder, okay, and inside I have created one more folder React, okay, and there is one more folder one I have created. Once you create, you'll just map using your command prompt as a admin, and open your as admin, and you can map to your path up to React and one. Okay, once you did this one, okay, so if what you will do is you can use this command, okay, that is npx create react app and space and your project name, that is React project name, up to this. Okay, so this is the command npx, this is the command react create -react -app, and this is your React application name, that's my React app. So up to this I'll show you one more time. Okay, so guys, here, okay, yeah, up to this I have created my path, that is D drive, employee, management, React, and one. Okay, and inside I have created one more folder, that is React. Okay, I'll show you again that one. Yeah, that is the, yeah, up to this is the path. that is D drive, employee management, React, and one. And after then you need to put your this command npx this up to this, and you can use your own React project name. Okay, once you execute the successfully this command, okay, and you will get this kind of application that is with the folder my-react-app. And if you open this project folder, you'll get this from relevant files and folders of the React application. Okay, and there is one more command is, after then what you'll do is you just put your cd drive, okay, cd, and you can map to your this path folder, that is my project name is my-react-app. So this one, okay, and you can just map to using the command here cd that is this path, right, cd hyphen my-react-app here. So after then you click enter, and you'll get this interface like this. Okay, I'll show you again this one. Once you did this one, so how we need to open this our React app using VS Code. So you just put your code space dot. Once you execute this, your project will be React project will be opened using the VS Code like this. Okay, whatever you see your folder structure here in your files, okay, or folders, local folders, the same structure you will get in your VS Code. Okay, this is the project name my-react-app, and the relevant files and folders you'll get in here after the React setup. So this is the React project structure you can see here. Okay, and there is some node underscore modules folder where you get all the packages installed. There is some public folder, you'll get the ICO, that is the icon, have icon mark, and the index.html, and this png, manifest.json, robots.txt, and there is an src folder. So in src folder you'll get the components, okay, and app.js, app.css, app.js, and this is the app.test.js, index.css, index.js, and this sbc file. So you'll get one .git ignore for git related work, and package-lock.json, and there is one package.json and readme.md file. So in package.json you'll get some configuration and some versions what I have installed. So this is my React project name, and the version name here, version it is installed, and its dependencies you can see here on this section. Okay, and there is some debugs, and under script session you'll get some commands here, and ESLint config where you get some configure extents. Okay, and browser list section you'll get the production related and development things, you will get some browser related versions here. So this is the package.json, nothing but it shows some configuration and versions which you have installed in your while you set up your React application. Okay, so this is all about the step 1, and step 2 is we need to install Apexchart and Bootstrap libraries. So guys, here what you'll do is once you map to your path, okay, like this, you can do it in your VS Code. So map to your path React application contents, and you will copy this, you can execute this command, that is npm I install react-apexcharts. okay, this is the package, and Apexcharts Bootstrap is for responsive -- legacy -peers and devs. So this command you need to execute here in your terminal. Okay, and once you I'll show you that. Okay, after then you click enter. Once this installed successfully, okay, I already have installed, so no need to install again. So once you install this successfully, this Apexcharts and Bootstrap libraries, you will go how to find it. You just go to your Apexchart library, can be found in the project under the node underscore modules folder. So if you expand this node underscore modules folder, you'll just scroll down a little bit, okay, and you just find out to start with R. So okay, so here you'll get one file folder contains react-apex-charts. Okay, that means your Apexcharts and installed successfully. Okay, and you will get some relevant files, dist files folder, and you'll get some packages, JS files related to the Apexcharts and types. What are the types here? And there is some relevant files for react-apexcharts. So that means your Apexcharts installed successfully for your React project, including the Bootstrap libraries. Okay guys, also you can see the Bootstrap also here. You can see Bootstrap also under node_module folders. That means Bootstrap also successfully installed here. There is some JS file and SCSS file and dish folder where it contains the Bootstrap related properties and class files. So my package is installed successfully, and I can see under node_modules folder. Okay, and here that's all about the step 2. So step 3 is we need to build a React functional component. So what I'll do is I go to my project, okay, and I'll create a new folder component. So already have created this component folder. Okay, so this one is not available by default while you create your React application, React project. So I have created this folder called component under src folder, and then I have created one more file, that is apexareachart.js file. Okay, so this is the, you can create right click on it, create new file, and .js extension you can put. So you can create this file apexareachart.js file. So guys, I'll check for code here. So this is the you can see some codes here. So I'll describe this code part also. So here I import the chart from a react-apexcharts package. Okay, this one, and the React related files have been imported also here. So it allows you to define the chart component in the functional class. Okay, and here you can define the data in a const variable like this one, and this data will help us to visualize the basic area chart in React in relation to the Apexcharts module. Okay, and to customize the look and feel of the area chart, you can define properties in the chart component. Okay, and here React component called Apex area chart. So you can define the component in your React application like this. This is function Apex area chart. So this function is nothing but it is a React component where we can get options and series properties from data as a const variable. Okay, like this. So the series section, I'll show you that what the series section contains. So you'll see here the series section it has two things. One is name property and data property. So name is employees, data is up to these values. So it will show some while it shows the chart, you can get these values, and this graph will be increase or decrease based on these values here. So this options, option section you can see here, it contains some chart section as well. Okay, and inside chart section there is height, type, it is line chart, and zoom enabled false by default here, and data labels is enabled as false. Stroke is curve straight property, and the title is I have mentioned here, text is employee, count by month, and the alignment is left. And the grid section has a row, and it is color I have set it is the values color value. It takes an array which will be repeated on columns, and the opacity values I put here. And there is x-axis section inside categories which shows the 12 months from January to December. Okay, and then I have closed this up to this, and inside so you will get here the grid section. Okay, so the grid section takes an array which will be repeated in all columns. So after then I have created one component, that is the Apexchart, and inside the return inside chart section I have used these options and a series based on its data, const data. So this const data has two properties options and one is series. Based on that, and the type is area chart. So this chart type is I mentioned as an area and its height as 350. Okay, so I have mentioned this configure this React component here, and then we can export this default Apex area chart. So this is all about the code in Apex area chart.js. Okay, first thing is import. We have import the packages what you installed, and then inside the data we have used some series and there's options. So based on our data and is layout and its design part we have configured in this section. Okay, and what the strokes, title, grid, everything, and the x-axis what contents. So this is all about the data, const data values. Okay, and whatever we have defined using the data, we can call these values or properties from data using the component. Okay, inside the return statement we can use the chart. So if you put over your mouse, this chart is nothing but we have import in the top section of our code, right? So after then we have mentioned some properties and we can set up our chart area chart in React. Okay, so this is all about the step 3. So step 4 is we need to update the app.js file. So guys, here what I'll show you is app.js. Open the app.js. So app.js is the main entry point, and in order to render the area chart UI or user interface in the browser, you have to register the component here. So guys, what component we have created, that is component name is Apex area chart. So this component we need to register. So it will register here in app.js file. So guys, here first of all we need to import the below section for React features along with the React component and Bootstrap, which is nothing but this one, and one more import section for it contains our path of our Apex area chart.js file, which we can extract our components which we have configured in this file. Okay, and inside the function app we can call or use that React component called Apex area chart with the opening and closing bracket. That is nothing but this one. So in the function app we have a div section and h2 tag, and here is some header section contents, and after then we will use our Apex area chart component with the opening and closing bracket. Okay, so this is all about the app.js file. We need to register our React component here. So this is all about the step 4. Okay, and let's discuss about the step 5. So guys, step 5 is landing page using the index.html. So guys, if you go to my VS Code, and that index.html is found under public folder. Okay, this one. So guys, the output of React app is getting from index.html, that is this one, as a landing page under the public folder. And here we mention the root in div section. So if you just scroll down, so we can find out the root which is under the div section. So no changes are required in this file. So it is the auto-generated and default file, so no need to change here. So this is about the step 5. Okay, and we'll discuss about the next step, that is step 6, how to run React app on the browser. So guys, there is one command called npm start. Okay, so if you go to your VS Code and 3 dot, click on terminal, new terminal, and you get here your React path. Okay, once you get the React path, you'll put this command, that is npm start here. Okay, once you click on npm start and click enter, it will start the server, your React server. Okay, let's start this one. So guys, here you can see my React project is compiled successfully and the React service evoked. So it will serve the chart component in the browser using localhost :3000. Okay, and if you open the browser you can see this output, and my React is showing the result here as a successfully we have configured. Okay guys, so here the output, once the server started the React will be shown as shown here. Okay, and you will get the chart. Okay, this is the employee count by month, and this is the values here 50 to 350, and this is the under the section you can see the months here. So based on the values it will show the chart. For January there is 10 employees, for February this is 41, for March this is 35, and same way for December there is 340 employees. So this data is coming from our React component. So guys, here if you just put over mouse these nodes and you'll get the values based on the employees by count by month. Okay, and you'll get the records, so up to December. Okay, and here guys you can see how this React app is showing. I already have shown you, and we can also download this area chart in different format. So there is three menu. You can see, you can show one menu here, 3 bar lines. If you click on, you can download this area chart in different format, download SVG, download PNG, and download as a CSV file. So I'll show you an example using download as PNG. If you click on download PNG, so it will download it. I will go to my download folder. Okay, I can see one file is downloaded, and I click you need to open this PNG file. So guys, here you can see this whatever area chart you can it is showing in your React application in the browser. The same thing we can export or download this using a different format. So it is the PNG I have downloaded. The same exact thing we can get in our PNG file. The same way we can download in different format, that is SVG, SVG and CSV. Okay, so guys, in this way we can create and download Apexcharts area chart using React and Bootstrap. So let's check how it supports the Bootstrap. So right click on the browser, inspect element, and inside I have used different devices. You click on responsive, this is the output. So I'll select some devices. Okay, and you can see this output as well. Okay, so that means the React is support the Bootstrap, and it will responsive design based on the devices. It will adjust its screen size, and will display this to the end user as a great views, so that it will be easy to understand this. There is no deflection in the layout, proper layout in React using Bootstrap. So guys, in this way we can configure the area chart using React. Okay, within few code using the React component. Let's go to my presentation here. So what is Apexcharts in React? I already have discussed these points, and what are the Apexcharts key features. So these are the points I discussed. So guys, that's it for today. Thank you for listening. Have a great day.